Let's be honest, as a customer, finding what you're looking for online can be exhausting. Search bars, endless links, and annoying pop-ups. And as a business owner, you're left in the dark about who's visiting your website, what they need, or why they're leaving. Now imagine your website refined for the future with a single, intelligent conversational agent, where the cursor stops and the conversation starts.
Good morning.
Meet your very first conversational website agent, quick to deploy and personalised for your business. This is modern engagement.
Hey, what I really need is your pricing.
Sure, let me pull that up for you.
Tell me why you're different and better.
Okay, I'm bringing up some testimonials while I explain how the value we offer is unmatched.
And as a business, you can say goodbye to guesswork, uncover customer insights, spot what's working and what's not, all by simply talking to your data. Change the game and make it easy.